Okay, well here's one to remember. I thought by cutting the panel away from here, I'd be able to get back to the back part of there, because the channel here is very commonplace to rust. It's rusted on mine a couple of times now, and what's mine right there. And I figured if I cut this plate away, I can get to the back of here, and in doing so, I'll have this plate that I can customize to put back over it. So I'd cut out a smaller hole from mine and use this as a cover plate with bolts to put it back in, and happy days. So I can treat the rust on the opposite side. Well, that's not the case. You can't get to it. And being like this, it now tells me that if it's rusting here and it's getting to that plate there, it's probably rusting on that plate there as well. So it's a real challenge now. So I'm going to have to bite the bullet and just cut away that whole section and try and get access to as much rust I can cut away as possible to try and do a proper job of repairing it. I'll keep this for the repair job so I can take it back in. But anyway, yeah, just thought I'd share this. I was going to make a full clip about fixing the rust and everything, but I can't, so this is where this one stops. So I thought I'd just record this anyway and show you what's behind here. That's water hose, I think. Feels like a water joint behind there. Probably got a water squirt on the back window. Okay, well, till next time guys, cheers.